Hello and welcome guys. In today's video, we are going to see how to publish and deploy Blazor server app into Azure service. This video is a part of Blazor series starting from the fundamental of Blazor. If you are interested in learning Blazor and other Microsoft programming languages, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon. Let's get started. In my previous session, I saw how to deploy Blazor server app inside our local IIS. If you missed that session, I will give the link on I button. Please check it out. Today we are going to deploy our Blazor server app into Azure service. So here I already logged into my Azure account, and this is the application, a complete new application of Blazor server app. I'm going to publish and deploy in Azure Web Service. Close the browser, go to Azure portal, create one app service. So here let's say I'm adding one app service. It's a free trial. I'm going with existing group. Let's say I'm giving my service name is YouTube Blazor. So I'm just keeping it note. It will come like this: youtubelazor.azurewebsite.net. Okay, so I need the runtime.NET Core 3.1. I'm not changing anything. Next, go to monitoring. I don't need application inside for now as it is a demo application. Click on no. Next, I don't need any kind of tags here. Next, so click on create. It will take few seconds. So deployment in progress, you can see here. Here also you can see deployment in progress in underway. Let's wait for deployment completion. So our service deployment is completed. Run this particular URL into your browser and see it is coming or not. So you can see it is coming. Click on here deployment center. Wait for some time to come the page. Okay. So here I don't want to go with any GitHub or Azure repository. I'm just go with FTP connection. So click on FTP. Click on dashboard. So you can see here FTP endpoint means FTP host address is coming. I'm keeping it in my notepad. This is my host address. This is my user ID and this is my password. Don't worry guys, I am going to change this password. So next, so we got our user ID, password and FTP host name. Next, go to your Blazor server app and publish the application. Go to Solution Explorer, right click on the project, click on publish. It will ask for our publish configuration. For now, as it is, I am going with FTP connection. The easiest way is folder publishing. So click on folder. Next, click on browse. I want to store somewhere. Let's say I want to store in make new folder in desktop. Let's say Blazor published. Okay. So desktop Blazor published. Click on finish. It will come the configuration section. I want to delete the existing file if it is there. So click on this edit icon. So here file publish option, check this delete all existing file prior to publish. We don't need database connection here, nothing is there. Target framework is .NET Core 3.1. Click on save. Next, click on publish. So it will build the application and it will publish the application into my specified path, this desktop Blazor published path. Wait for some time, let it publish. So publish succeed. Close the Visual Studio and open FileZilla or any FTP client. If you are using FileZilla or you are using Firefile, any FTP client you are using, but must be licensed. So open FileZilla here. So next, this is my host address or the FTP endpoint, username and password. Quick connect. So here now you can see this address. If I go to this address, our new website, the Azure website, a default page is coming, but this default page is this one, hosting star. But I published my application into desktop Blazor published. Let's delete this hosting star. Select all the file from your published section and upload. Okay, it's got completed. Go to the same browser, refresh the page. Now we will see our Blazor server app is running or not. So yes, it came our Blazor server app. In this way, we can host Blazor server app into our Azure service. Thank you very much.